Hey guys, it's me and Benjamin, Lucius, and we're gonna make the funniest soccer videos of all time. So let's get started.
If you saw our previous video, it was about Messi and Ronaldo. Because Messi, Mbappe, and Emilia Marmol sucks. And who is the GOAT? Cristiano Ronaldo. So today, we are gonna make the funniest videos about them. Come on, let's get started.
Yeah.
So this is.
Stop it. Alright, sorry guys. I didn't start it that.
So this is Cristiano Ronaldo right here.
Yeah.
And I am Messi.
Yeah, I'm gonna start this goal. And let's see. Who's
And-
really the GOAT?
And Messi sucks so much. I am Messi. Okay, so we're gonna shoot them. So we're gonna see how good Messi is. What? You shit, that's the wrong way. That's the wrong way.
That's who Messi kicks. Because Ronaldo does.
Alright, now we're gonna show you guys how Messi warms up. Okay, he's Messi and I'm Ronaldo. Come on. Come on. Yeah, go, boy. See, Ronaldo's the GOAT. See, he even broke his sound. It's a goal, man. This sucks. Messi sucks. He's not close to Ronaldo.
Yeah.
Ronaldo has almost 400 goals. But Messi is still stuck at 250.
Ronaldo has 970 goals.
Okay, so now I'm going to make a scoop and I'm going to cut my scoop and so I'm Messi and he's Ronaldo. Sorry guys,
So put up.
Shoot me. Sorry guys. Kan ek het jy mos.